Pi Network Mining, How to Mine Picoin, Step by Step to Mining Picoin for Free. Hello, welcome to NordBitPol TV. In this video you will learn how to mine Picoin, the innovative cryptocurrency that can be mined on your smartphone. Discover the step-by-step process, from joining the Pi network to earning Picoin through the mobile app. Gain insights into the Pi network's unique consensus algorithm and its potential for future value. Start mining Picoin today and explore the exciting world of decentralized digital currencies. This is NordBitPol TV. Please subscribe this channel for interesting video like this. What is Pi network? Pi network is a cryptocurrency project that aims to create a decentralized and user-friendly digital currency. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Pi network allows users to mine Picoins using their smartphones. Here are the steps to mine Picoin. Let's dive in. Here are the steps on how to mine Picoin for free without paying a dime. Step 1. Download the Pi network app. Pi network is currently available as a mobile app for Android and iOS devices. You can download it from the respective app stores in a very short minutes. Step 2. Create an account. Once you've installed the Pi network app, create a new account by signing up with your phone number or Facebook account. Follow the instructions to set up your profile. Step 3. Join the mining network. After creating your account, you'll need to join the mining network. This is done by entering an invitation code from an existing Pi network user. If you don't have a code, you can real winner as your invitation code. Step 4. Start mining. Once you're a part of the Pi network mining community, you can start mining Picoins by simply pressing the Start Mining button. The app will use your phone's computational power to contribute to the Pi network's security and maintenance. Bonus tips. 1. Earn Picoins. As you continue to mine Picoins, you will accumulate them in your Pi network wallet. The rate of mining is adjusted based on your active participation and the number of people you refer to the network. 2. Increase your mining rate. To increase your mining rate and earn more Picoins, you can form security circles with other trusted Pi network users. Security circles help to enhance the overall security of the network and contribute to your individual mining rate. 3. Stay active. It's important to remain an active member of the Pi network community to continue mining Picoins. This involves opening the app daily and confirming your mining status. 4. Withdraw and use Picoins. Pi network is still in its early stages, and the coins you mine may not have immediate monetary value. However, the project aims to develop a marketplace where you can use Picoins to purchase goods and services in the future. Stay updated with Pi network's official announcements for more information. Hope you enjoy the content. This is NordBitPol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.